Yes, how are you? Today I am standing near the Sri Ram International Airport, and the other name of the airport is Sri Maharishi Valmiki International Airport. And today is very special day because today is the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji, and the function which you are looking behind me, if you are looking this function. Then this is not any ordinary function. People celebrate the birth anniversary of the Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. Behind me you can see people celebrate his birth anniversary because he was a very great person. Everyone know about him. Everyone know about his contribution to make our law, to make our constitution. So many things he make happen. He made. So we need to memorize him, we need to give him respect, we need to appreciate him. That's why people are celebrating every year with zeal and enthusiasm the Jayanti of the Bhimrao Ambedkar ji, because he was a very great person in our history. I know everyone is know about his contribution, his and one thing is also very important. He was also a great leader, and a part of this he has so many degree, he has so many type of degree, and he was well educated person of Indian history. And the struggle, the effort, the obstacles which was come in his mind is very tough, and he crossed every type of struggle, and he overcome every type of problem, and written a new history in the world, because uh, he has he had studied in the Cambridge University, which is the top university of the in America. And so in the economics, I think he had read about the economics, so he had too much knowledge about the law, about the economics, about the sociology, and so many knowledge he have. I heard about him that he has too much degree. He has too much degree, and the qualification of that man is so high. So you can understand him. When you will look at the background of that person, then you will find he is facing so many types of social, and so many type of the untouchability caste system. In olden India, in ancient India, we are not too much aware about that what value of people. We are too much believe on the caste system. We was too much believe. We used to, we was too much believe on the different type of system. So we need to understand that what is his effort, how can he cross every type of problem, and how can he conquered every type of problem in his life. So we need to learn something from his life, from his journey. So I would like to suggest you should read the autobiography, you should read the biography of great person. I think you will learn so many things if you will study the biography of that person, because the person who has too much degree, and the person who had faced so many type of problem in his life, you can understand what is the what is the greatness of that person, what is the ability of that person, and the potential and the thinking power is also too much high of that person. Because when we are facing small type of problem, then we give up. But he says never give up in your life. If you choose if you decided to any goal, any aim in your life, if you want to reach your destination, then you need to make patience, preservation, and determination, and intense hard work. A part of this, you need to aware to acquire knowledge every time in your life. So we need to learn good lesson from his life, and we also need to become good citizen of India, because the constitution which he made is very logical. The logistic of the constitution, if you will go to study, you can't able to understand the whole power. Where is the whole power is located, you can't able to understand. This is the logistic of that constitution. So we need to understand the thought power of that person. So I think we have to give respect every year, every every year, and every function. We need to celebrate every function with good manner, with good teaching. That by, when we celebrate something, then when we memorize some person, then one thing is also good, because if you, the good thought and good ideas reach across the society through this function. Because when people understand that this person has good contributed in our India to develop India, so they also want to try to do something good. They also want to make something good. They also want to do something good. So we need to give the teaching of the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar to every student. I think every student know about his life. Every student know about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, because no matter if you will go to any police station in our country, then you will find his image. If you will go to any function, independence function, in a 15 August, 26 January, in any school, then you will find his pictures on the front of the stage. So he is located at the heart of every one person, and everyone like his character, like his personality, because he is not live for own life. He did not live for own survive. He lived for the society. He lived for the country. This is the greatness of a person, because we are living for as a human, we are living for own beneficial, own advantages, own profitable, own gainful. But he lived for the people, for that type of people who can't able to fight for his right. He realized his power him and stand with him, and he gave him his right. He gave him his freedom. So this is the goodness, this is the greatness of his. And one thing is also, when the lower caste people facing different type of the problem in the future, in the past, at that time he become good helper for him. He written so many different type of good law in the constitution, by which lower caste of people rises and start to do something new. So it is the greatness of that person. So this is the that type of person we should need to give respect. We should need to give every type of honor to them. And now I end to my talk, and I will see you in the next video. What you want to say about the life of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji? So write in the comments.